If you wanted to turn your selfie into Squid Game, Money Heist or Stranger Things, this is the video for you. I will show you how you do it and exact AI prompts for it. I used a regular selfie of myself for every one of these images. So save the prompts, I will paste them in this description of this video, and they will showcase also in the video. And in the end I will do a very quick tip how you can get a prompt for any AI generated image. So stay into the end and check that out. Here is the quick tip. If you find an image that on maybe Threads or YouTube or maybe Facebook or some other platform X, you screenshot it and then you ask ChatGPT for the prompt for the image, and it will give you the prompt, and then you can alter it, maybe to change the person to your uploaded image, and voila, you have your own image of that one. So if you like this video or all my prompts, please subscribe or like this video, and I know so I can make more of these videos in the future.